In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to open files Replit code in VS Code. If you've built a project on Replit and want to keep working on it locally with Visual Studio Code, this walkthrough will take you from the Replit workspace to a folder you can open and edit on your computer. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Replit account and that Visual Studio Code is installed on your machine. Start by heading to the Replit homepage in your browser. Once you're in, look for the Projects section. This is where all your repos are organized. Open the Projects area so you can see the list of your existing work, then pick the specific project you want to move into VS Code. Give it a moment to load in the Replit editor. With your project open, locate the sidebar on the left if you don't see all the panels. Open the library area in the sidebar so the available tools are visible. Next, switch to the file tree. This is the panel that shows every file and folder in your project, from your main application files to configuration and dependency files. At the top of the file tree, find the three dots icon. This menu contains actions you can apply to your project. Click it to reveal more options, then choose Download as zip. Replit will bundle your entire project into a single compressed file and start the download. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed and the size of your project. When the download completes, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. If your operating system doesn't automatically extract it, unzip the file so you have a regular folder containing your project's files. Keeping the folder name the same as your project can help you stay organized. Now open Visual Studio Code. From the welcome screen or the file menu, select Open Folder. Navigate to the unzipped project folder you just created and open it. VS Code will load your files in the Explorer panel on the left. If you're prompted to trust the authors of the files, review the notice and proceed if you recognize the project. At this point, your code is ready to edit locally. You can run terminals, install extensions relevant to your language, and configure settings like linters or formatters to match your workflow. That's it. Your Replit project is now available in VS Code, mirroring the structure you had online and ready for local development. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.